Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Panasonic Technics EAH-A800 wireless earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these headphones are not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they keep disconnecting, or if they're not pairing or syncing with your device, or if they're not detected, any kind of issues like this where they're not working and you're trying to get them working and they won't respond, a hard reset to the factory default settings can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to wipe everything off of them and get a fresh start, we can do this really easily. It's super easy to do. All we need to do is turn the headphones on, and this will not work when you just turn them on. They need to have been on for at least like 30 seconds. So turn them on, leave them on for 30 seconds or a minute, and then all you need to do is come and press and hold the power button for at least 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, that will initiate a factory default reset on these headphones, and you can set them up like a new set of headphones.